Good morning, everybody. This is Henry Cramer with 605 Chaser, and in this video, I'm going to be breaking down basically how to read SPC risk categories. That stands for Storm Prediction Center. And today, for this example, we have July 27, 2026. This is for today's outlook, categorical outlook. We do have a slight risk and a marginal risk. And then over in areas of Wisconsin, as well as Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, and parts of Ohio, as well as Michigan, we have that enhanced risk. There is that tornado risk as well later in the day if all the elements come together. And there's a wind risk, 30% hatched. We also have the hail risk. Now, what about South Dakota? Hail risk in western portions of South Dakota and West Sandhills area of Nebraska is not so great. But the wind threat is there as well. You can see that outlined in a SIG 1. We'll be discussing that a little bit further. But as far as a tornado threat, again, that is pretty much non-existent at this point in time. Again, there is the marginal. The general thunderstorms is the lighter shade. So let's break things down here a little bit further. So every day I reference an SPC outlook category: marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate, high, if that were the case. What those actually mean and how I use them. What the SPC is doing, the Storm Prediction Center puts out a day one outlook that categorizes areas by how likely and how significant a severe weather is expected to be. It's not a guarantee of what will happen, it's a probability and a confidence statement. The five categories: marginal, isolated severe storms possible, low end setup. This is a watching day for us, not usually a chase day. The slight, that's scattered severe storms, are possible, more organized threat, worth having eyes on the map. Enhanced, now that, numerous severe storms possible, better organization, and higher confidence. This is where we start planning seriously. And if you get a moderate, widespread severe weather likely, including strong long track systems, high priority chase day, and then a rare high end outlook, that's confidence. It's high confidence severe weather, often including strong tornadoes. When SPC pulls the trigger on high, it's a big deal. How I use it, the category tells me the ceiling of the day, but I still read the full discussion for what parameters are driving it: cape, shear, helicity, dry line position, all the pieces we've talked about in other clips. A slight risk with a great setup along a boundary can outperform a sloppy, enhanced risk. The category is the starting point and not the whole story. Stick with us and make sure that you continue to watch additional videos to get the whole picture. God bless and stay safe, everybody.